All right, guys, let's go ahead and make some rice and beans. All right, so I'm going to use 2 cups of rice to 4.5 cups of liquid. But before we do anything, let's wash the rice. Let's wash the rice. Let's get out all that excess starch. And you're just going to wash it until you see the water in the bowl clear. I think one more time and we'll be good. First, I'm gonna start with sauteing my vegetables. I'm gonna saute some red peppers, yellow peppers, some scallion, and onion in the pot with a little bit of coconut oil. All right, let's turn on the oil. The pot, I'm gonna put it to a medium heat. Alrighty, let's throw some garlic in there. A little bit of cilantro. I'm not gonna throw the whole pepper in yet. Just a piece. What we're doing here is just trying to bring out all the flavors. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my 2 cups of chicken broth in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 cups of water. Actually, we'll do the coconut milk instead. And I'll do a 1/2 cup of water. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and throw our thyme in there. Add a tablespoon of my sister's seasoning, all-purpose. And I'm going to do a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Not too much, we'll taste it as we go. Stir it up. All right, let's throw our beans in. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and let this simmer or come to a boil. And we'll be back in the next 10 or 15 minutes. Let's cover this up. Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, let's pour the rice in. Put the scallion in there, the rest of the cilantro. Let's taste our liquid. Alrighty, it's good to go. Let's get this cooking. We'll come back in the next, I want to say 15-20 minutes. Hey Google, off. Hey guys, let's check the rice and beans.
I only share personal information once I verify your voice. Try to exit Google Home app.
Alright, look at that. Hey Google, off. That's all done. Alright, let's take this thyme out. Throw that out. Uh-oh. Turn the stove off. All right, that's done. Alright guys, there you have it. Belizean stewed chicken, rice and beans, and cornbread. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.